How to buy from Yupoo using Cnfans. The first things first is open up any browser that you usually use, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now in your current browser you will be opening up two specific tabs, which is going to be the Yupoo's official website and the Cnfans. Now make sure that you're already logged into your Cnfans account. Now go back to your Yupoo official site, and then in here just simply choose on any product that you would like to purchase. For example, this one. So what you're gonna do is just to simply click on the product that you will buy, and then just simply copy the product link, and then go back to Cnfans, paste it here, and then hit on submit. Now you'll be redirected to this page in which you have to enter the product name, link specifications, product nodes, image, and then as well as the prices. So every information right here is indicated on the product that you will purchase. If everything is completed, just simply hit on add to cart or buy now. That's it. That is how you buy from Yupoo using Cnfans.